Pepecoin holders, hear the facts. This doesn't seem to be slowing down, and I'm not paying too much attention to the price from 5045 to 5023, now back to 5030. There's a lot of people coming back, sold off, coming back for another leg up. Is this the second rally for Pepe? We'll just have to see. But 41 trillion yesterday, 24 hours earlier, 31 trillion on Binance 14 wallet address. 24 hours later, boom, 10 more trillion, now passing $125 million in that wallet. What does that mean? I'll tell you everything by the end of this video. In terms of the general crypto market, I'm going to show you something that is extremely bullish. It's pretty much Bitcoin season. We're not in an altcoin season yet. You can only imagine the powerful behind of us that it's coming once altcoins decide to rally. If by then Pepecoin, we'll see what happens, still remains strong, popular, and interesting. Obviously, there's more opportunity for price appreciation. We'll see. Don't go anywhere. Go ahead and smash the like button. Everybody, consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome. My name is Oscar. Happy Sunday. Take a look at this one. Binance 41 trillion. This is insane. 126. No one can come even close. 2x easy from OKX. Now people are buying on Binance a lot of Pepe, regardless what the price is. They're adding to their bags. And I have this chart for you. This is on May 5th. They had only 10 trillion in token balance. On May 6th, just yesterday, they had 30 trillion. So this is not showing today, May 7th. So it's going to show 41 trillion and so and so and so. So you see how people are just buying like crazy Pepecoin, mostly on Binance, and it's pretty much shown, right? Which is insane. And I think a lot of people are now getting back knowing that there was a first retracement right here. If I'm looking at the Fibonacci levels, because I think it's a great tool for me to, at least have some margins and see which retracement we're looking at. Looking at the 61 retracement, guys, this is a gift. I've been looking at charts for a long time, years. Typically, when we see a pump like this, very short and very quickly, usually after this massive rally, you see the massive sell-off, and typically it doesn't go that fast to the 100% retracement, but it takes a while, right? It's much faster to go up, but it's painfully slower to come down. And although we see these nice rallies, eventually most of the cases tokens just go all the way down and eventually just stay there forever, like other tokens that we have covered in the channel. Now, that is, I will say, a normal way for any token to just let sellers leave, profit taking, and that's it. That happens all the time. With Pepe, at this time, the fifth massive rally, the sixth, yesterday was the sell-off where people were taking profits. What will happen on the 7th and this coming week? Because it seems that it's putting back up again more prices. Doesn't mean that it's gonna pass 5045 this week, but there's a possibility because obviously I don't know the future, and that'll be pretty insane, right? At this time, 42 on CoinGecko and on CoinMarketCap 42 as well. So now they already put it up together very well. How many holders are there? Well, we have 106,000 Pepe holders with 41 trillion already on Binance, and you have about 20 trillion and all of this Pepe. But what Pepe is doing, just giving out all of these tokens, issuing to the exchanges and letting them run and go to the casino. Cool stuff. I mean, people are making their money, and that is incredible. And I think, based on my experience with, after the massive rally, a lot of people, in my opinion, are going to start to day trade or 2-day trade Pepe at this time. Because once we put a massive peak, it oftentimes is very difficult to break it. If it does it, it's going to remind me like other tokens I covered, like Terra Classic a little bit, or Tectonic, which they broke the all-time high they made very quickly. There's of course comments about Coinbase list, and if that happens, I am pretty aware the price can just go to the moon once again. If I go ahead and go to the 1 day right here, you're gonna take a look at the following. Thus far, it's going for about 4 weeks of existence because this is was launched on April 18. We're on May 7th, so we're heading up to the third 4 week right now. This it's extremely bullish pattern. In fact, this kind of looks like a bull pennant. So if it does continues to consolidate, there's a chance for a breakout to go up. So there's all cards on the table, guys. Definitely my predictions in the last couple of days haven't been as accurate when it comes to the price of Pepe because it just went through the roof, mostly guided because of the listings of Pepe and now Binance coming up here to play with everyone. I think you can see it as a great leader of 41 trillion Pepe and all these millions of dollars. Yesterday, I show you how it doesn't compare to what Shiba Inu they hold because they have multiple wallets of Pepe. But here, I only see that one Binance wallet, the main one. It seems that they might have a cap of about $400 million per wallet. Once that reaches, then they open a new wallet. Where this one is first the one that is adding more and more and more. So we'll see more holders, we'll see more quantity, and so as time goes on, and if the price of Pepe just continues rallying, therefore there's gonna be more and more holders. The main page here, well, is huge, of course, on pictures, on all kinds of tweets. So definitely, I mean, they're doing their best to keep the fire on. Look at this. Now, Bitbit as well, just yesterday trading because everyone went out, I mean, a little piece of the pie. And this is just a great picture to look at, to be honest with you. Now, for the fun part, which is bullish, guys. Obviously, back to the grid. Yesterday was right around here. Now, back to the grid is the altcoin season index. And according to the blockchaincenter.net, one that I look at a lot for the Bitcoin rainbow chart, this one does show me how Bitcoin is doing. Right now, Bitcoin is at around 29,000. So it's really good. It's just consolidated, not doing much. But Pepe is doing what it's doing right now, and it's much far away from the altcoin season. We're not in an altcoin season. That's what I'm saying. What if it's an altcoin season? Where will Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Pepe at this time, which has done the impossible, right? In 2023, where will it be? And there's only one way to know it, and it's just waiting for that to come to us. So I think Binance and all the exchanges got what they wanted. All this liquidity, all these fees, it's now earning them some very nice income in the last couple of days. Pepe now has come back from that 5 zeros to 2-3, not to 5 zeros 3-0. There's a lot of people very excited, adding to their VAX. We just have to see, fam, where it's heading. No promises because obviously the price is manipulated. The price, the whales decide everything. But I'm happy seeing and we're making money. I'll see you next time, everybody. Have a great one. Like and subscribe. Peace.